Hey everyone, I just want to make a quick screencast, to give some directions on what is expected for you for the second assignment of week 2. So when you go in Classroom, I want you to open up this Google Doc instruction page. And what you're going to do is you are going to, in the direction page, I give you 10 sets of coordinates, okay, 10 points. And what you're going to do is you're going to choose two, any two, it doesn't matter. You can do 1 and 2, 1 and 10, whatever you want to do, any two, and you're going to create a linear equation from it, just like we did in our notes in our practice. Okay, but what's going to be kind of fun about it is you are going to teach it to me as if you are like one of the teachers. So what you're going to do is you're going to use, if you're using a Chromebook, here's kind of how I would set it up. If you're comfortable, feel free to use your phone and screen record your phone and use an interactive whiteboard app. But if you're using your Chromebook, this is what you're going to do. So you're going to click on the interactive whiteboard website, AWWAPP, and it's going to take you to this page. Okay, and you're going to hit start drawing. And over here, you're going to use the pen, okay, and kind of go with whatever size you want to go with. And you are going to write out how you solve this equation, okay? I know it's going to be a little challenging. Your handwriting might be a little rough. I understand. So try the best you can. So as you are solving these equations, at the same time, you're going to hit this screencasting website, Screencast-O-Matic. If you go to it, you're going to hit start recording for free. You might have to download something. That's okay. You should be able to still download it. Let me know if you have any issues. And you're going to come up with kind of what's looking like from as you guys are watching this, okay? So let me go back to this app. As you do this problem, you're going to walk me through it and teach it to me, okay? So say you chose, the point 2, 4, and 4, 8. Okay, so remember, to solve this, we're going to first have to find the slope, and the slope is m equals y2, 8 minus 4 over 4 minus 8. If you have any touch screens, it might be a little easy. Sorry, 4 minus 2. Let me undo that. If you have a touch screen, this would be really easy. You can kind of write right on to your touch screen. If you want to use a phone app, that's fine too, and screen record. But the purpose of this is I want you to be explaining to me how you're doing this problem. Okay, so you're going to do this twice. Okay, so you're going to choose 2 different points. Find me the slope. This ends up being a slope of 2. And remember, you go back to here, we have y equals 2x plus b, and then you're going to solve for b by plugging in one of these points. So I'll plug in the 4 for y and the 2 for Again, I know it's going to be sloppy. Just try the best you can, okay? And solve for b. Another option, what you can do in the same thing is you can open up a Google Docs, and inside the Google Docs, you can actually just type it out if you'd rather type it out than write it out. So if you go to Insert, there is this equation button. You can go ahead and type out what you want to do. So if you want to do m equals, and all up here are all different things, operations, relations. You can set up your fraction. So kind of what we were doing before, we were doing 8 minus 4 over, and then in the bottom, we had 4 minus 2. That equals 4 over 2, which equals 2. You can show it on here too. So if you'd rather type it out and explain it, that works too, okay? When you're done, you're going to save this. So you're going to hit pause button, the stop button, and you're going to save it as a file right on your desktop. Or you can choose to put it on YouTube. whatever, you just need to save it because then you're going to submit that as your assignment. Please let me know if you have any questions. It's a little different. It might be a little more challenging. If you come up with another way you'd rather do this, like if you want to take your phone and record yourself writing, you can do that too. The purpose of this though is I want you to be explaining to me what you're doing and how you're solving this in the process. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, guys.